Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Olivier here. I hope you're having an awesome day. For those of you that have stumbled across my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. Well, I hope you didn't stumble. I hope you purposely searched for me. But for those of you that have already subscribed and are already following me, I want to say thank you so much for your continued support. I really do appreciate it, and a very warm welcome to you. So I'm shooting this quick video really in response to a lot of you guys out there who have reached out to me and asked me quite a few questions with regards to my 3K in 31 days challenge. So just to give you a bit of insight for those of you that are new to the channel, what I've done is that I have basically set myself a massive task of trying to generate £3,000 in just 31 days. And for those of you that are in the US, that works out to be just under $4,000. And the caveat to that challenge is that it needs to be done online. So I need to generate this money online. Now, one of the questions that you guys had asked me was, out of all the strategies that I've put into practice, which one was my favorite? And to be honest, I guess what would make a strategy or a certain method a favorite of mine would be, well, it would need to fall into this criteria, and it would need to be easy to set up. It would need to be reasonably less time consuming, and it would certainly need to be something that you could put into action right away. And out of all the strategies that I've incorporated, and I've incorporated quite a few, and for those of you that have been following me will know that, I guess the one that sticks out to me and hits all three of those points within that criteria would be affiliate marketing. And because affiliate marketing is certainly quite easy to set up, it's not that time consuming, and you know, it can be done straight away. So affiliate marketing is certainly one of my favorites. The other question that I was asked was, Ollie, it seems like you're using so many different methods to earn money online, you know, do you have any more up your sleeve? Absolutely, I certainly do. I've still got some more that I'm basically contemplating and thinking about. I just want to make sure that before I put these into practice, that the ones that I'm already using, the ones that I've already implemented, that they are at a good standard where they can be left on their own, because, you know, for example, the buying and selling using eBay and Facebook, those require replenishing. You know, I will need to continuously list products, and I try to do that I try to do that on a regular basis. You know, so far it works out to be every other day, but as you can imagine, that is a little time consuming. So, you know, I want to make sure that before I start branching off to use another strategy, I want to make sure that these are pretty stable and, you know, are in a position where I can leave that and then maybe start exploring something else. But yes, the answer to that is that I certainly do have more strategies up my sleeve, definitely. So the other question that I was asked, which was quite interesting, was, in my opinion, which one do I feel will generate the most money? Now, again, for those of you that have been following me will know that out of all the strategies that I'm using, the ones that have generated money so far is the buying and the selling on eBay and Facebook. Those so far have been the ones that have been generating money. But remember, the sacrifice that you're making there is that you do need to spend time on, you know, listing your items, sourcing those items, taking photographs for those items. You know, that is quite time consuming. So, you know, even though I was able to generate money using that method, I don't feel it's sustainable, because for me, what I'm looking to achieve is basically passive income, and that's the way of, you know, being able to generate money by not having to focus on it so much. So, you know, that for me, yes, you know, that's the strategy that's generated the most income so far. But I also believe that the other strategies that I'm using, you know, things like drop shipping and affiliate marketing, they certainly do have the potential to drive money as well. But again, those take a little bit more time. I hope that answered your question. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to leave it there because I don't want this video to be too long. But if you did find this video useful and you found it insightful, please don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to continue following me on my journey, I want to know exactly what I'm doing as and when it happens, make sure you hit that bell icon, that notifications button, so that every time I do upload a video, you will know about it. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay awesome, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.